Okay, first of all, I'm happy to be here. I know this is one of the biggest clubs in Uganda, or the biggest club in Uganda, and I know the challenges are not the same. But seriously, my coming here is to make sure that I change some of the few things I think which can make this club better than it is now. I'm a kind of person who needs challenges. I know to be a winner or to be successful, you have to compete with everything. You compete with yourself, the opponent, and anything thrown at you. So I'm ready. I know the task is not easy, but there is no easy task. When you look at the club where I have come from, there were no pressure, but now there is pressure because they also want to win something this season. So I think the challenge is new, but with the football, I think everything is the same. Here I have a task of winning games because here it's all about winning. My task will be to make sure that we get 3 points in each and every game we play. We are going to concentrate on game by game, and I think we can. When you look at the players, I think they are good, they are talented, they can do the job. What I have to do is to maybe change their mentality, the way they think. I think I should go just in their brains and the character. I think those are the two things I'm going to work on, and we shall achieve our target. Seriously, when I met them yesterday, it was like I've been with them for something like 2 or 3 months. The good thing, they know me, I know them. It's only that there are some few things we need to learn. There's some few things they need to learn about me, and same to me. There are things I want to learn, I need to learn about them. We have a game tomorrow. I know I've been with the team for only 2 days, but there are some coaches down there who have been with the team. I do trust them 100%. So I'm going to sit with them. I'm going to train with them today. So we shall come up with a good strategy whereby we shall win the game.
Fantastic. Coach from Uganda. Ompira gwencha olunaku lumu